Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about solving equations with x in the denominator. So here, let's take a look at some questions. Let's take a question that covers the whole thing and has many steps that we can use to solve, okay? Let's talk about this, for example, question 7. It's like a good question here. If you have a question like this and they tell you to solve, first thing you do, you have to change the places of some elements to make it easier for you to solve. Now here we have an x in the denominator, but the problem is that I can't take it to the other side until I get rid of the negative 3x. So first step I'm going to do here is take the negative 3x to the other side and change the sign. So it's going to be a positive 3x. So focus on this step. So negative 3x becomes positive on the other side. Let me show you how. Negative 3x goes here, becomes positive 3x. So let's do it here. So 12 over x. This is the first fraction. We took this to the other side, so equals 3x, okay? Because the 0 here, it doesn't count, so it's going to be positive 3x. Now, after doing this, I can get rid of the x in the denominator. This x, I can get rid of it in the denominator by taking it to the other side or cross multiplying. This is divided by x. It means I can take it to the other side by multiplying. So I end up with what? Very good. 12 equals 3x times x multiplied by x. Okay. So this means what? This means that 12 will equal 3x power of 2. X power of 2. Now, I want to make the x power 2 the subject so I can solve it. This one is multiplied by it. So I'm going to take it to the other side by dividing. This means that x power of 2, let's write it here, x power of 2 equals what? Equals 12 divide 3. Equals 12 divide 3. Okay? The steps are easy once you focus on the questions. They are very easy. Just focus on the steps, okay? Now, x squared here will equal what? Will equal 12 divide 4, which is 12 divide 3, which is 4. Now I want to get rid of the square. It means I have to do the opposite of squaring, which is square rooting. And because I did it here, I have to do it to the other side. The square root will be removed with the square. So the answer will be x equals square root of 4. And when you find the square root of 4, the answer will be 2. Very good. So x equals 2. And that's the idea of solving problems with fractions that have x in the denominator. And that's it for this question. I hope you understood the idea. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.